Parrots are incredible birds. Did you know they can live for over 50 years? Some, like the African gray parrot, are as smart as a 5-year-old and can learn up to 1,000 words. Parrots are also amazing mimics. They can copy human speech, sounds, and even laughter. Their colorful feathers aren't just for show, they help them blend into the wild. Fun fact, parrots have strong beaks that can crack open tough nuts with ease. And did you know some species, like the kakapo, are flightless? Parrots are full of surprises. What's your favorite thing about these vibrant birds?